Niabot na gyud ang adlaw nga atong ikahinaman, ang adlaw sa pagsaulog sa atong ika-67 founding anniversary.
Let us always work hand in hand and walk side by side, not just for ourselves, but also for the generations that will come after us. The people of Malimono, let us not forget that more than anything, it is our collective desire to work together that will result to a better Malimono.
Hinaot ko naunta ang panahighiusa mapadayon nato para mapadayon ang paglambo sa atong lungsod sa Malimono. Ako nagpasalamat usab sa atong bagtik mo serbisyo si Kong Bingo Matogas nga kanunay siya nagasuporta sa atong lungsod sa Malimono.
Today is our 67th founding anniversary and Thanksgiving. Thank you for your participation this morning and the cooperation of these activities. And welcome you all this momentous event. Thank you.
So today, let us celebrate with thanksgiving in our hearts and unite our hearts for a better and stronger and bolder then and now, here and beyond. Congratulations, Malimono!